That been recording?
Yes.
Yo.
Part
yes,
2.
Lord.
Y'all already know what time it is, bro. Part 2.
Oh, yeah, I need to go down.
Pew, pew.
No, this time we just don't have, Denari at this
What?
time. That's all.
Let get it, let go. Yo, what's good, YouTube?
It's your boy,
Trey. Yo, and we nigga again, bro. And we back with another banger video. And today I got the bros once again. What the?
Oh shit! Here we go again.
And it's fried shit again, bro. Don't start this fried thing again, bro. Bro, don't start this fried thing again, bro. Alright, so look, check me out. Today I'm back with the bros, but I do not have my cousin in this one because he's with his dad right now. So yeah, but we back with the bros. Today we doing me and Jesse got chick-fil-a. This man only got checkers.
That
shit nasty as on. Why the f got that shit? But it's nasty. But you know, we just finna do a little chill, funny mukbang for y'all boys. You feel me? And ladies and gentlemen, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But man.
Hey, but don't y'all hate when they give out fucking paper stars and shit? But like, look at this shit, bro. What the fuck is this?
Put it down, put it down. Look at this shit, like.
Fuck is that, bro?
I hope the light not bad, bro. Hope it's straight. Yeah, that bitch. And I know y'all supposed to see the fresh cut, you know? Your boy had to drop a cut. Oh, bro.
That Playboy Cardi, man. I pull up and think that I've been it all.
That bitch dumb good, damn. Damn, excuse me.
Ding dong, ding dong. Walk off.
Hey, but no, like in this, yo, my boy.
I got red shooters, I got blue.
Hey, in this mukbang, in this mukbang, we finna be doing, you know, would you rather and like just random questions. You feel me? Just so you know, keep it. You know what I mean? Okay, you know what I mean. We out. So I'm gonna ask them would they rather do this, would they rather do that, and they gonna ask me too. So we just gonna keep answering questions and shit. You feel me? Man, it's been not opening. Bro, why you out there camera? They didn't even see you.
See your stupid ass, bro. What the fuck you doing?
On that, yo, and then me and that party, what they do? Me my nigga party, what they do?
But this nigga here, bro, motherfucking god, bro.
Oh, damn, my phone there, dude.
Bro, look at this shit, bro. My god, what the fuck is this?
Let me show them.
What the fuck, bro?
Oh, look at this.
What the fuck, bro? Bro.
Oh, my sauce dripping. My sauce dripping. Oh. Fuck.
But that shit over with, bro. I'm not.
Damn. What the hell's going on?
Bro, Jesse, bro. This is such a fucking bum, bro.
You better slap down. She ain't that big good, huh? Damn. They can't even see you eat, bro. Bro, this sauce dripping, bro. Yeah, but look. Would y'all rather? I'm gonna start off a little, you know, smooth first. Would you rather have a thought daughter or a gay son?
I'd rather have a thought-ass daughter, but ain't gonna lie.
You rather have a thought daughter? No.
I can't raise no kids, bro. I can't help it.
I mean, I don't know, bro. Cause look, I'd rather have a gay son. Bro, if you have a thought daughter, bro, your daughter gonna be fucking.
Yeah, she gonna get there and ran through his pussy. Oh, my fault. The vagina dumblers. Yo, Evie.
What?
Oh, your ass still get flagged for that?
Nah.
Oh, for real? You don't?
No.
So you say pussy in that?
Yeah.
You sure? But I thought.
They changed it.
I thought they said that they can't be too explicit.
Boy, that was a little too explicit.
Well, it's not some loose and shit. Yeah, but me personally, I would have a gay son because Like you said, she gonna be loose. She gonna be getting ran through, getting dick from any nigga. So I'm like, nah, I ain't doing that.
Hey, but listen, like, what if you come home one day, like, your son is getting fucked by another man and you're bad though?
Man, you stupid bitch. Hey, you lucky I don't want to speak on that.
What you gonna do?
I'm finna shoot this shit up.
I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro.
That boy gonna get what? That boy gonna get dummy wet off, man.
You finna shoot him?
Dummy wet off.
No.
Oh my god.
That be look nice, huh?
Look at this. Oh, look at this, man.
The immaculate burger.
Ah.
No, nigga, shut up.
No, yeah. Stay over there, checkers. Come on, man.
That'd be way better than that shit.
No. Y'all boys see that little y'all see the little pepper jack cheese action going on. Know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, look at the burger. Oh my goodness.
That be like dumb crispy.
You feel me? Woo? You feel me? Tight shit.
That be like crispy, man.
That be look dumb, but hold up. Let me take that bit without the sauce.
Boy, I ain't even hungry, bro.
Nah, I ain't even hungry, bro. That be good, huh?
This shit right here, boy.
What the fuck you turn around looking at me like that?
This shit right here, boy. Yeah, bro. Your burger dumb garbage, man.
Oh, y'all are too
man.
fucking funny, bro.
I'm finna smash this bit right here.
Well, give my dog a ride home.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, bring
Right,
up
nigga,
my
man.
son and shit, man.
Y'all see this burger right here? Look at that. Ain't no false advertisement. Advertisement, dumb right. Now put that sauce on it. Ew, that shit was nasty as fuck. That GMO ass meat, bro. That meat fake as hell, bro.
Goodness. This bit like a jellyfish. You feel me? Look at this. Glorious. Y'all see that thing though? Oh, okay.
Mom or dad?
Nice.
Huh?
Whichever there,
Fuck mom or dad.
Wait.
You dead, bro?
nigga, fuck. I didn't say. Bro, I'm saying, like, which one would you rather. No. Fuck, how to say this shit? Bro, why you smashing in my ears, bro? You got sauce on your lip and shit, man.
Oh, now.
Oh my fucking god.
No, but I'm saying, like, which one? Mom or dad? Which one y'all rather live with? I don't know.
My mama go fuck my dad, man.
Yeah, I gotta live with my mom, bro.
My dad do too much.
I can't live with my arm and shit. Yeah.
But wait till I blow up, man.
This shit, I can't. I don't know, my mom, man. Only her, bro. No cap.
Wait till I blow up.
Look, bro, look dumb nice. Look at this.
Y'all, boy.
Damn.
Look at this shit, though.
That big ass bite.
Y'all see this shit?
Bro, hold on, let me show them the bread. Look at this. Shit. That feel look nice. Woo. That bit look good as fuck, man.
Boy, I'm dumb hot. Oh my fucking god, bro.
Wait. That bit no.
No, that be not good. Ew, your burger look dumb fake, man. Why that shit look like that? Bro, show them your burger meat, bro. Bro, look at that shit. Ew.
Alright, bro, stop talking, bro. Fight.
Jill, ew, that bit white.
Ew.
Man, bro.
I'm telling you, bro. Y'all know what they do, right? So they have y'all patties inside a little tray with like oil inside that hole. And then like once somebody order that bit, they take out the patty, put it on the bun, heat that bit up.
How you know?
Huh?
How you know?
Bro, I saw that shit at McDonald's, bro.
Nah.
They literally take out the tray, get the patty out of that bit, bro. Bro, that shit, I don't know, bro. Y'all niggas be eating that fake ass shit, man. Chick-fil-a, you feel me? They got that bit
Real chicken.
What?
Real chicken, yes.
cooked. They yeah, hand cooked. Yeah, man. That bit fresh. Yo shit.
These
Yo.
niggas here, bro.
Unfresh.
What?
Niggas here, bro.
Damn. Looks immaculate, dude.
Oh my goodness. Tell you, boy. I don't know what you doing over there, boy.
That boy Peanut just text me.
Where you saying?
What's at home?
He home.
Yeah, he just got home.
I'm late.
Damn, bro, I miss Jaeger's days, bro.
Yeah.
God, wow.
Jaeger was too fucking fun, man.
Slap box in the bathroom and all.
Mm-hmm.
Boy,
Big ass fight in the back, bro.
Big ass bro.
boy, drops and shit.
Every day is sixth period. I mean sixth grade. Fights, fights, bro.
Every day. We ain't had no privileges.
Now high school, this shit is
This
straight,
shit.
but it's not like.
It's not how middle school is, but that shit dumb lame, bro.
Cause bro, like I remember when I was going to high school, my mom told me, "Oh, a trade trip in high school gonna be fun." And that shit not
Shit,
fun,
did that
bro.
be get dumb darker? Huh? What the fuck is you doing that?
That shit acting retarded, bro.
What the fuck is it, bro? This nigga Jesse, bro.
Damn, that be good, huh?
That been getting dark as fuck.
That's what I'm saying. What the fuck's going on with your shit?
I don't think the camera recording in the dark. I think it's the one dark. I'm not touching it. No.
Time for a new camera, my boy. Yeah, that shit over.
Time for an upgrade.
Alright, that was okay, bro.
Yeah, man.
Like, come on, Android shit better than that, man.
Wait, why is that be getting dark? What if I put it in the sun? I don't even know.
Just be off the back and with some burger.
See, he's such a fucking bot, nigga. Move, bro.
Take that, bitch.
No, I don't like that.
Boss up your life, man. That burger looking, you feel me?
Oh.
Why is that shit dark?
This shit, man.
I'm from new shit, man. How long you had that before?
What, the burger?
Oh, the fucking camera.
4 months? I don't know. Some shit.
Yeah, Sony, not a surprise.
Oh, there we go. Damn, man. One more to do. Put some water in there, bro.
That bitch dumb hot.
But the ice in that bin. That shit nasty, huh? See? Disappointment. That shit dumb nasty.
Chick-fil-A with bus.
Don't tell you.
This shit just sloppy, bro.
Checkers unbushed.
But I promise to God, you can search it up, bro.
Good. And then we finesse to shit.
Bro, no, I ain't buy this.
What that shit?
My uncle.
Excuse me.
Just
I'm sure I would.
There ain't nothing enough in that bill.
What?
It's fucking air.
You
and shit.
burnt when that shit good, but you feel me?
What?
Look
That's fine.
Look at your shit, bro. You don't even want to eat that whole hump.
What that bitch say? Look. 850.
But I need something else to drink, bro. Meet me in that party with that crew. I got red shooters. I got Leon in a
Bro.
what it you? And what is school?
I can't. This must be weird, bro.
What it you?
I'm dumb weird.
This
Don't
must
talk
be
to me,
weird,
not talk
bro.
to my little dude. You talk to me, not talk to my little dude. What be the order? What it do?
Bro, come on, bro.
Meet me in that party with the troops. I got red shooters, I got blue. Let that thing not that point at you.
It's always that one nigga, bro. I swear, bro.
Always the one nigga, bro. Damn.
That young nigga from Florida.
Stop this nigga with a damn burger, bro.
I'm trying to get the bad China meat from out here. Young nigga really from Florida. I'm tryna get the bag, tryna make it from out here. I got the other shit.
Oh yeah, my hand.
I'm in love with the blue rats. I want this, I want blue and some blue that. Let's just turn up in a party with some blue rats. Popping bottles of champagne for them blue rats. I just want some blue. I'm in love with some blue rat. Man, get the garbage ass out here, man.
Whatever, dumb empty.
I'm in love with some blue rats. 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 I'm in love with some blue rats.
Yeah, my shit done.
That was another snippet, y'all boys. Nigga talking out his mouth, he get burned on.
I ain't gonna cap, bro. I gotta start doing like just like you said, bro. The crazy stuff.
Please stop flexing. Hell, y'all.
You need to do some pranks in Walmart and shit.
Bro,
Ew, bro, this shit feel nasty and sweaty as fuck.
Cause it's the sun, bro. But like, if I, no, you know what? Let's talk about females, man. Let's talk about females.
Oh, fuck females.
Now let's just talk about females, man.
Oh shit.
So what y'all, like, what do y'all think about females, bro?
What you mean, both females and females?
Nah, like the way they act towards niggas. Like, what do you think about them?
Female ass too bougie. They act like they all that. When they know they not all that, bro, but they still act like they all that.
Well,
bro,
especially the ugly hoes. So
well, ugly hoes.
Bro, no, they do this shit, bro, just because they have a pussy, bro. Like,
they feel like you feel me. They feel like they the king, like, you feel me? Not. It's like basically like say like a bill to do like OnlyFans and shit, right? Then you gotta pay like $50 to be into join her shit when her shit not even worth $50 when like Disney Plus like $15, you feel me? So how the fuck your pussy like $50, Disney Plus
this
like
nigga,
$15? How
you gonna compare Disney Plus with OnlyFans? Because, bro.
What is the shit, man?
How is her pussy worth more than worth more than Disney Plus and Netflix and all that, bro? You feel me? Like that shit garbage as fuck.
Bro, just stop talking, bro. Alright, bro, you done with it,
Bro, that does not make no.
Yes, huh, bro?
Bro, okay, look.
Disney Plus. Listen to what the fuck you were saying, bro.
Disney Plus is cheaper than her.
I mean, I kind of understand because the subscription. Yeah, he probably is right because the subscription next year they got videos where you could watch them. And, you know,
yeah, her shit better be that fucking good for them damn $50.
Nah, but niggas dumb, bro. Like how Bella Thorne, she made $1 million off of fucking OnlyFans, but you ain't know that. In one day, 24 hours, bro, she made $1 million fucking dollars in OnlyFans.
What did she do? Titties all out of that bitch.
She said she ain't do no nude pics. Niggas just still paid for that shit, bro.
Damn, $1 million
in 24 fucking hours. Zendaya would do better though.
So y'all boys trying to make OnlyFans?
So y'all boys trying to make OnlyFans?
I'll make one myself.
Hell no. But look, think about females, bro. They feel like just because they have a pussy, they the shit, bro. Like, if you be real, I feel like, I don't know. Thought pussy feel the same. They all lose. They all gonna feel the same. They pussy all. You said no? No, I know. But I'm saying all thought pussies feel the same because they're all loose. It's like you hitting it right. Close your eyes, cover your eyes. You hit like 50 bitch. They all gonna feel the same because they all loose, bro. Bro, it's fucking facts, bro. That shit crazy. Like, I just can't stand females, man. My turn gay, bro.
But what the fuck?
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Nigga, what talk, bro?
No, I'm fucking with you, bro. I'm fucking with you, bro.
You know, you dead ass, nigga. Yeah, boy. Just like the night when we couldn't find nothing to do. Just talking about some boy. Y'all boys, you might as well just suck each other up and shit.
No, you're gay. You're gay, bro. You wanna have said that. Look, this is what this man said. Someone's riding. Look, no. Who was riding around, right? No hoes, bro. No type of hoes on us, bro. Dude said, yeah, man, y'all boys, man, we got to the point, man, we might as well sync each other up and shit. I'm like, nigga, what the fuck? What is that? This dude, bro.
That's who y'all listen to? Playboy Cardi, I want your dick come out my mouth. Oh,
He said that?
I want your dick come out my mouth. Yeah,
Yeah, that's what y'all two niggas
bro.
bump to, man.
That's the nigga. That's like Playboy Cardi.
Unknown color.
Damn, but this MukBang is kind of weird, bro.
Sorry, boy. I think we have to cut that bitch short.
When I'm ending this shit, I'm gonna see if I should post it or not, cause this thing is kind of weird.
I want your dick out my mouth.
You're gay.
Yeah,
Fucking gay, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, boys, I'm finna cut the video, no cap.
Alright,
Subscribe if you're new to the channel.
I'm trying to get it, man.
25 plus
Hey,
likes.
man, y'all boy, check out the little drip. You hear me?
What? Jesse, hop out the car. Let me see the drip. Hop out the car. Look at this. This is so-called drip. Look at this. This is drip.
What the fuck is that?
Let me see. Let me see.
What the fuck is that?
That got the toes out. This nigga think he drip, dog.
What the fuck is that, nigga?
Look at his boxers, bro. I can't, man.
What is that? What is that? Ew, y'all see a short as fuck. Oh my god.
Yeah, my dog drip. But I got the short shorts.
Like, what the fuck is this, bro? Look at that shit fucking stain and shit. What's so bummy, bro?
You so bummy. Look at your big ass beard.
Hey, but no, I'm gonna cut the video, man. I'm sorry the MukBang was kind of trash, bro, but you know, still fuck with it, you feel me? But it's your boy Shirley, and we out, you dig?
I need an arm and leg. I need an arm and head. Cardi and leg. Arm and leg. Headed check.